In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Brevo. Let's get started by opening a new tab in your web browser. You'll want to search for Brevo, and once your search results come up, click on the very first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Brevo login page. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, navigate to the Marketing section and click on Forms. This is where all of your existing forms will be displayed, as well as where you can create new ones. To get started with a new form, go ahead and click the Create Sign Up Form button. This will prompt you to give your form an internal name. Make sure it's something easily identifiable so you can keep things organized. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of form you want to create. Brevo offers a couple of options. You can choose a full-page or embedded form, which allows you to place it directly on your website, or opt for a pop-up form that can be scheduled to appear on your website at specific times. Once you've made your decision, click Create Form. Now, you'll be using the drag-and-drop editor to bring your form to life. Start by grabbing elements like text, images, and dividers from the Build tab, and simply drag them onto your canvas. You can also move and delete these content blocks as needed. If you want to collect specific information from your contacts, such as their first name or phone number, use the attribute block to add these fields. For compliance and security purposes, it's a good idea to include pre-designed GDPR checkboxes, as well as CAPTCHA blocks, which you can easily drag and drop into your form. After you're satisfied with the content, switch over to the Form Design tab. Here, you can customize the appearance of your form by choosing fonts, colors, and designing the submission button. It's crucial that your form looks great on all devices, so make sure to use the mobile preview feature to see how it will appear on phones and tablets. Once you're happy with the look, click Next to move on to the settings. You'll be asked to select a Brevo list for your new contacts. You have the option to choose an existing list or create a new one. Then, decide on a confirmation method for new signups. The recommended double confirmation sends subscribers an email with a link they must click to be added to your list, which helps with GDPR compliance. Alternatively, you can opt for simple confirmation or none at all. Finally, click Next to get to the success and error message customization. This allows you to control the messages that visitors will see after they submit the form. Once everything looks good, click Done to save your form. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in Brevo.